what we are having for
you. Someone is suffering. They can subscribe. Just subscribe.
I think go beg you. Please subscribe. Buy data. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, never!
Thanks for clicking on this video. The video you're about to watch is the third episode of Back to School. Enjoy it.
Just get ready to be flogged by Mr. James. I'm planning to show it to Senior Samson.
Senior Samson. Of all seniors at school.
What happened?
Nothing. Just get ready to be disappointed just like the last one.
Don't tell me what to give Senior Samson your homework. Senior Samson can pretend. I'm even thinking that why would Senior Samson even manage to even reach SS2? I even wonder how a senior in SS2 will never be able to solve GS2 question.
I wonder.
So I'm looking for Senior Samson.
Oh, Senior Samson. You should go in the class.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I do suspect. If no, please do that now. Thank you. Senior Samson.
Come back later. Come back later. I'll be ready. I'll be fully ready. Come back.
This bridge top and I am scoping it. Senior Samson did not know it.
Come back later. Come back later.
Senior Samson did not know it. Okay. You're welcome. Senior Samson, Senior Samson, Senior Samson, scoping.
It's not your fault.
Samson, why the pretense? Those that pretend don't go far. Instead of you to tell the girl that you don't know it and face the shame of not knowing it because you failed to learn it. God will help you. You better change.
This one, it can never change. Never.
Why would you say it can never change? Are you God? He can and he will.
Again to school, we are about to read, we are about to learn.
Have you subscribed? If no, please do that now. Thank you.
We are about to learn, we are about.
Thank you for watching this episode of Back to School. See you next time. Up the power!
Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
And help us to share this video.
Bye. See ya.
We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back.